Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elasticsearch and Kibana for log analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your system meets the requirements for Elasticsearch and Kibana. Download the latest version of Elasticsearch from the official website. Choose the appropriate version based on your operating system. Extract the downloaded file to your preferred location. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the Elasticsearch directory. Start Elasticsearch by running the command /bin/Elasticsearch on Unix systems or bin/Elasticsearch.bat on Windows. Wait for Elasticsearch to start, which may take a few moments. Verify that Elasticsearch is running by opening a web browser and navigating to http://localhost 9200. You should see a JSON response indicating that Elasticsearch is operational. Next, download Kibana from the official website, selecting the version that matches your Elasticsearch installation. Extract the Kibana files to a suitable directory. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the Kibana directory. Start Kibana by running the command /bin/Kibana on Unix systems or bin/Kibana.bat on Windows. Wait for Kibana to initialize, which can take a minute or two. Once Kibana is running, open a web browser and go to http://localhost 5601. You should see the Kibana interface, which indicates that the installation was successful. Now, configure Elasticsearch and Kibana to interact with your log data. In Elasticsearch, create an index by using the API or via Kibana's interface. Ensure your logs are correctly formatted for indexing. In Kibana, use the Index Patterns feature to define how Kibana can read your log data. Select your newly created index to start visualizing and analyzing your logs. Explore the various visualization tools that Kibana offers. Create dashboards to consolidate your log views for easy access. Monitor the performance and health of Elasticsearch and Kibana through their respective tools. Regularly update both Elasticsearch and Kibana to take advantage of new features and security enhancements. Make sure to back up your data periodically to prevent loss during updates or outages. You have now completed the installation and setup of Elasticsearch and Kibana for log analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.